Tiramisu. Basically, pick me up. That's what it means in Italian. But it's easy, simple, delicious, and very, very fast. We split it into 2 bowls.
Mascarpone.
Put that into the bowl and just let it go nice and soft. In the next bowl, 150ml of cream.
Ice and sugar. Whisk.
Now, it's really important that we don't over-whip this cream. We're just looking like a nice sort of thick lava consistency. No more than that. Already, within seconds, it's got nice and sort of light and soft.
Vanilla extract.
Now, we use an extract over fresh vanilla because it gives a really nice sort of dense, dark colour.
Marsala wine.
It's got a really nice sort of cafe au lait colour now on the cream. Coffee. Now, it's really important that coffee is ice cold. Just add in thirds, don't add it all straight away. Fold in our cream and ice and sugar. Lovely. So it's a really nice, light tiramisu that is fast and sets within 20 minutes in the fridge.
Bowl. Coffee. Ladies' fingers.
And just into the coffee, turn them round and out again. So what happens now, they're soggy on the outside, but still nice and crispy in the centre. Take your martini glass, fingers in. Be generous with it.
Fridge, 20 minutes. Chocolate. Great.
And look, nice little shards. And then, finally, cocoa powder. Beautiful.
Italian tiramisu with ladies' fingers. Done.
不长胖，点赞吃了不长胖，就是不长胖。不莫服的特的机器发黑发黑黑灰发黑发灰灰发灰发灰。
其实每个视频的背后都不一定是他看到的那样。虽然但是，希望对我们每个人来说，做甜点都是个享受的过程。这个提拉米苏配方大概是简单的里面最好吃的，好吃的里面最简单的吧。我是真胖，下次见。